How to fix disabled comments on YouTube. So if you want to turn on your comments on YouTube, then first you need to open up your YouTube application and go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that settings option, or simply scroll down and go with your videos. And here you will have your videos, right? So what you need to do is simply choose the video, to go with the three dots, which is on the right side, and here you will have the edit option. Tap on edit and it will take you to the edit video page. Now if you scroll down, then here you will have the comments option, right? So if you've toggled off the comments, then simply tap on the comments and tap on the on option. But if you're not being able to turn on the comments, then you might have posted the video for kids. The comments are disabled for this video because you set it as made for kids. So if you've done this, then you just need to simply toggle off the option of kids. You can go back, go with the audience and tap on no, it's not made for kids. Go back and here you can see that you have the option of on. So simply tap on and that's it. That's how you can turn on your comments on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.